सौभाग्य से मिला हिंदुस्तान, सौभाग्य से मिला हिंदुस्तान। सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदोसिता हमारा, हम बुलबुले हैं इसकी, ये गुलसिता हमारा, ये गुलसिता हमारा। भारत माता की, भारत माता की, भारत माता की।
Principal ma'am, dedicated teachers, guests of honor, and my dear fellow Indians. Today, as we stand beneath the fluttering tricolor, looking up at the saffron, white and green, soaring high in the blue sky, my words can barely contain. Today is not just another holiday on the calendar. Today is the day we remember what it takes to be free. We often talk to this air of freedom for granted. We walk these streets, we speak our minds and dream our dreams without fear. But let us pause for a second and ask ourselves, what was the price of this freedom? It was paid by blood. It was paid in the tearful goodbyes of the mother who watched their teenager sons marched away, knowing they might never return. It was paid in the cold, dark cellular jail where brave souls like Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad and Subhash Chandra Bose smiled in the face of death. Because they held a vision of an independent India. They didn't just fight for our piece of land, they fought for us. They let down their youth so that we could live ours. My dear friends, true patriotism isn't just about cheering on 15th of August and forgetting on 16th. The battle of India's greatness is no longer fought with the guns on the front lines. It is fought daily in our actions, in our integrity, in our dedication to build a nation that leaves no one behind. If Bhagat Singh could face the galleons at 23 with a smile, then we, the youth of today, must rise to protect, build and elevate this nation to a heights the world has never seen again. Let us shred our differences of caste, creed and color and unite under one single identity. We are the Indians, first and always. In conclusion, say it together with all passion in your hearts. Vande! Vande! I can't hear you guys. Vande! Vande! Jai. Thank you. Signing off your head girl.
Good morning, respected founder sir, president ma'am, respected principal ma'am, teachers, and my dear students. It is a privilege to be with you all here on this very special morning. When we stand before our tricolor today, we remember the men and women who fought for India's independence. They gave us something precious, the freedom to choose our future, our very own future. But I want to ask you all children today, what does freedom really mean? Is it simply the freedom to do whatever you want to do? I don't think so. True freedom is having the courage and the wisdom to make the right choice, even when the wrong choice is easier. You understand that? And that is especially important during our teenage years. You are growing up in an India full of opportunities, you have knowledge at your fingertips, you can design bigger and dream bigger than the previous generations. But you also have to all face new challenges today. Every year, thousands of people lose their lives because of road accidents. You all are aware of that, I am sure. A helmet, a seat belt, and responsible driving can save you all and save many lives. As you are growing up, you must remember this. Many young people struggle with anxiety, loneliness, stress, and sadness. So remember, asking for help, children, is not a weakness. Asking for help is courage. हिम्मत लगती है किसी से अपने mental health के लिए मांगने के लिए, help मांगने के लिए. So if you are struggling, talk to your parents, your teachers, your counselors, your doctor, or someone you can trust. And if you see a friend amongst you who is struggling, don't simply walk away कि ये उसका मामला है, मुझसे क्या? You must ask them, are you okay? Because sometimes one caring friend, one struggling friend, if they have somebody to talk to them, it makes a huge difference. And then there is another freedom you must protect. That is freedom from addiction. Tobacco, vaping, alcohol, drugs. They may sometimes make you look very cool. मस्त है ये तो. लेकिन remember, addiction is not freedom. Rather, addiction takes away your freedom. So we must protect this freedom from addiction also. The strongest person is not the one who says, I can try anything. The strongest person is the one who says, no, I decide what controls my life. ठीक है? And so, remember this. And also, don't forget your body. Play, run, cycle, swim, dance, get outdoors. Put the phone down sometimes and let your body and mind breathe. My dear students, the freedom fighters who gave independence were fighting not only for themselves. They were fighting for generations they would never meet. And today, you all are those generations. You don't have to do something extraordinary every day to serve India. Very simple things like be honest when nobody is watching. Stand up when someone is being bullied. Respect others. Help someone who is struggling. Protect the environment. Think before forwarding something on social media. And above all, dream. Dream of becoming someone successful, yes. But first, dream of becoming a good human being. That is very, very important. Because India doesn't only need brilliant doctors, engineers, scientists, entrepreneurs. India needs compassionate, courageous, responsible young people. That is what we all have to aim to become. Before I finish, I want to ask you 3 questions. Don't answer them aloud. Just answer them to yourself. Each and every one of you who is here. Think, what is one bad habit you will say no to? अपने मन में सोचो. What is one good habit you will say yes to? And what is one thing you can do this year to make your family, your school, your Lucknow, your country a little better? Remember your answers, because that is where true independence begins. Not only in freedom India won in 1947, but in the choices each one of you makes every day. Look at our tricolor. Let the saffron remind you of being courageous. Let the white remind you to be truthful and peaceful. And let the green remind you of growth and harmony. And let the Ashok Chakra remind you to keep moving forward. The India of 2047 will be shaped by the choices you all make today. So dream fearlessly, choose wisely, take care of your body and your mind. Be kind and never take your freedom for granted. Remember, our choices today are building the India of tomorrow. Let us make those choices count. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
आज जब मैं इस मंच पर खड़ा हूँ तो मेरे सामने केवल एक सभा नहीं बल्कि देश का भविष्य दिखाई देता है। और जब भी मेरी नज़र इस तिरंगे पर पड़ती है तो दिल अपने आप गर्व से भर जाता है, क्योंकि यह केवल एक झंडा नहीं बल्कि करोड़ों भारतीयों की आशाओं, सपनों और बलिदानों का प्रतीक है। आज का दिन केवल एक पद नहीं बल्कि एक एहसास है। एहसास उस आज़ादी का जिसे पाने के लिए न जाने कितने वीरों ने अपना घर, अपना परिवार और अपना सर्वस्व देश के नाम कर दिया। मैं तो नमन करता हूँ उन वीरों को जिन्होंने हमें इस आज़ाद हवा में सांस लेने का सौभाग्य प्राप्त करा। हमारे स्वतंत्रता सेनानियों ने न केवल हमें आज़ादी दिलाई बल्कि यह एहसास दिलाया कि जब पूरा देश एक साथ खड़ा हो तो कोई भी ताकत उसे झुका नहीं सकती। हाँ, आज हमारा देश शिक्षा, खेल, विज्ञान, अंतरिक्ष और तकनीक में नई ऊंचाइयों को छू रहा है। पर हमें यह ध्यान रखना होगा कि किसी भी देश की ताकत उसकी इमारतें नहीं, उसके नागरिक होते हैं और उन नागरिकों की शुरुआत हम विद्यार्थियों से ही होती है। हमें ध्यान रखना होगा कि आज़ादी हमें विरासत में मिली है और इसको सुरक्षित रखना हमारी जिम्मेदारी है। हमें ऐसा भारत बनाना है जहाँ का हर बच्चा शिक्षित हो, हर पीढ़ी सुरक्षित हो, हर युवा जिम्मेदार हो और हर दिल में देश के लिए सम्मान हो। अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी जी ने ये कहा था कि भारत कोई भूमि का टुकड़ा नहीं, एक जीता जागता राष्ट्र पुरुष है। अटल जी ने ये कहा था कि ये वंदन की धरती है, ये अभिनंदन की धरती है, ये अर्पण की भूमि है, ये तर्पण की भूमि है। इसकी नदी नदी हमारे लिए गंगा है, इसका कंकर कंकर हमारे लिए शंकर है। हम जिएंगे तो इस भारत के लिए, हम मरेंगे तो इस भारत के लिए। और मरने के बाद गंगा जल में बहती हमारी अस्थियों को कोई कान लगाकर आवाज सुनेगा तो एक ही आवाज सुनाई देगी, भारत माता की जय हिंद, वंदे मातरम।
यह दिन हमें हमारी वीर स्वतंत्रता सेनानियों की याद दिलाता है। भगत सिंह, रानी लक्ष्मीबाई, महात्मा गांधी और अनेक वीरों ने देश की आज़ादी के लिए अपना जीवन बलिदान कर
तेरी हवा परिंदा, तू बाग है मेरा, मैं तेरा परिंदा। मैं अर्ज़ ये दीवाने की ना रोज़ सुहानी देखी, एक रोज़ वही मेरी शाम हो। कब याद करे तो ज़माना, माटी पे मर मिट जाना, जिक्र में शामिल मेरा नाम हो। ओ देश कोई धन है क्या मेरी धूल से बढ़के, तेरी धूप से रोशन, तेरी हवा परिंदा, तू बाग है मेरा, मैं तेरा परिंदा। ओ ओ मेरा इतना काम करेगी क्या, मेरे गाँव जा मेरे दोस्तों को सलाम दे। वही थोड़ी दूर है घर मेरा, जहाँ रहती है मेरी बूढ़ी माँ, मेरी माँ के पैरों को छू के तू उसके बेटे का नाम ले। मैं वापस आऊंगा, मैं वापस आऊंगा, मैं अपने गाँव में, किसी की गाँव में, जहाँ के आंचल से, गाँव के पीपल से, किसी के गाजल से, किया जो वादा आओ निभाऊंगा। ख्वाब नहीं एक जश्न भारत, रग रग में है जीत की आदत, ऐसा हुनर दुश्मन की सलामी दे। खूबसूरत हम तेरे उजाले, जब से जिता नहीं होने वाले, आखिर हम सब सफर तिरंगे के। जय हिंद जो रस रस में, हर वादी के बस में, जिद ठान के हिंदुस्तान को दे। सुजला सुफला मलय चित्रम, शस्त्र श्यामलाम वंदे मातरम। सुजला सुफला मलय चित्रम, शस्त्र श्यामलाम वंदे मातरम। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम। जय हिंद।
जिद है मेरी दर्द चीर के निकल चुका, मौका मिले तो कर मैं दोबारा। जुनून के आग मेरे को पलती, मेरी कोशिशों को चाहिए ना कोई और सहारा। जिद है मेरी दर्द चीर के निकल चुका, मौका मिले तो कर मैं दोबारा। जुनून के आग मेरे को पलती, मेरी कोशिशों को चाहिए ना
जुनू तक ले जाना हर कतरा बोल रहा से जुनू तक है जाना हर कतरा बोल रहा
one of you, we are here to celebrate the glorious 80 years of our independence. So once say everyone, Happy Independence Day! So children, freedom is not the right to just be there, to be independently living freely, no. Freedom is something which is a promise of your actions, promise of your thoughts, promise of your values to take your nation forward. With this thought, I would like to say good morning to our respected founder sir, our esteemed chief guest, and my beloved Dr. Smita Mishra ma'am, our chairperson. Children, today is a day of celebration, but you have to remember the countless sacrifices which gave us this freedom. Children, I want you to remember those brave hearts. And I would also take this opportunity to thank first and foremost our chief guest, Dr. Shalini Naseem, for accepting our invitation and gracing this occasion with warmth and dignity. Thank you so much, ma'am. Our founder, sir, thank you, sir, to be here. Your vision, your values has always helped Red Rose to soar its flag higher. Thank you so much, sir. I will also take this opportunity for my deepest gratitude to our chairperson, ma'am. Ma'am, your vision, your encouragement has always been encouraging us to move forward. Thank you so much, ma'am. This memorable function could not be possible with so much of hard work, planning, repeated practice of our students, and thanks to my teachers and coordinators, also the support staff, the office staff who are working behind the scenes. It's my deepest appreciation to each one of you who has worked tirelessly to help us present this wonderful show. Thank you, my dear children. Your encouragement, your participation, your performance today show us how the bright future the young minds are. So big applause for each one of the students who have presented their best here. Clapping for these children. And in the end, I would like to conclude. Let the heart beat with pride. Let our action show us our responsibility, and also our dreams build a future, build a nation which we are proud of. Jai Hind, and thank you so much.